If I want to teach my brain something, what's the most valuable thing I could do?
Okay, well, here's something that could be helpful to people. In order to remember something, you must assign meaning to it. You have to say why.
Sure.
Just say like, why is it relevant? And if you can say why something is relevant, you probably will remember it. But because your brain is basically constantly trying to forget everything as much as possible. It's hard to store memories.
Yeah.
So it's just
Things
naturally,
you care about.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
right?
most of the stuff that we see and hear is like not worth remembering. So in order for your brain to remember something, you have to establish relevance. Say why.